Imagine something flying toward your city, a drone, a missile, maybe both. Now imagine defending that city without firing a single missile in return. No high-tech rockets, no explosive payloads, just a storm of metal ripping through the sky. That's the Skynex system, and it's rewriting the rules of air defense. Germany has quietly launched one of the most efficient, low-cost, and terrifyingly precise short-range defense systems in the world. While other nations lean heavily on guided missiles, Germany has doubled down on something older, but deadlier in the right hands. Guns. But not just any guns. The Skynex system uses 35mm autocannons that fire with such speed and accuracy, they don't just hit targets, they obliterate them mid-air before they even realize they've been spotted. It's not a return to the past, it's the evolution of it. Traditional missile defense systems work, sure, but they're expensive. One interceptor can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's fine when you're shooting down a $2 million cruise missile, but when you're facing a $500 drone swarm flying in from every direction, you've just bankrupted your defense budget in minutes. This is where Skynex thrives. Instead of launching guided missiles at low-end threats, it fires programmable air-burst ammunition. These are not dumb bullets. Each round is equipped with smart timing technology that detonates mid-air, shredding drones or missiles with a carefully timed blast. One shell doesn't just hit a target, it creates a cloud of tungsten fragments that tear through anything in the blast radius. That technology is called AHEAD, Advanced Hit Efficiency and Destruction, and it makes every shot count. A single burst creates a lethal pattern, almost like a net of metal. There's no evasive maneuvering out of that. So how does it all work? It starts with the Oerlikon XTAR 3D radar system. This radar constantly scans the sky for incoming threats, not just big things like helicopters and jets, but also small, low-flying drones that other systems might miss. The radar feeds this data to the Skymaster Battle Management System, an AI-powered control center that makes split-second decisions. Is that object a passenger plane or a kamikaze drone? The AI figures it out instantly. It classifies threats faster than a human could ever hope to. And once it determines the threat level, it doesn't hesitate. It selects which weapon to fire, where to fire, and how many rounds are needed. From detection to trigger pull, less than 5 seconds. This isn't sci-fi, it's real, and it's already in use. The revolver gun, Mk3, is the centerpiece of the Skynex system. It fires up to 1,000 rounds per minute. That's more than 16 shells every second. Each one of those shells is programmable, not aimed directly at the target, but at the space the target will be, milliseconds later. It doesn't shoot where the drone is. It shoots where the drone is going to die. A drone entering that airspace doesn't stand a chance. It's like flying through a blender. Even if it's small, even if it's fast, even if it's maneuverable, the moment it hits the shrapnel cloud, it's done. This is what makes Skynex revolutionary. It's not just powerful, it's cost-effective. In a world where drone warfare is becoming the norm and $1,000 off-the-shelf drones are being weaponized by the dozen, Skynex allows you to fight fire with metal. Lots of it. Germany didn't build this system in isolation. They built it with a purpose, real-world performance, and it's already been battle-tested. In Ukraine, Skynex systems were delivered and deployed to defend frontline positions. Within weeks, reports came in showing just how effective it really was. Kamikaze drones, surveillance units, and even cruise missiles were taken down with brutal efficiency. While other high-end systems were saving their expensive interceptors for major threats, Skynex was chewing through everything else. The drone swarms, the loitering munitions, the low and slow flyers. It's not a replacement for long-range systems like Patriot, but that's the point. It's the system that protects the systems. It fills the gap. It catches what slips through, and it does it on budget. Another key feature of Skynex is its flexibility. It's not a closed box. It's built to evolve. The system has an open architecture, meaning it can easily integrate new sensors, detection systems, and countermeasures. As new types of drones and missiles are developed, Skynex can be upgraded to handle them, not in years, but in months. This adaptability is what makes it so valuable in modern conflict zones. Russia has continuously tweaked its drone designs in Ukraine, trying to outsmart defenses. But with Skynex, Ukrainian forces have been able to respond quickly, adding new tools and upgrades to meet the changing threat landscape. And other nations have taken notice. Italy was the first NATO country to adopt Skynex with its revolver gun system. Romania and Qatar quickly followed. They saw the writing on the wall. The future of warfare isn't just missiles, it's volume, swarms, cheap, fast, relentless threats that need to be countered just as quickly and at a fraction of the cost. Germany didn't stop there. The Skynex system has a mobile cousin, the Sky Ranger 30. Same core technology, but mounted on armored vehicles. That means protection can move with the troops, providing constant coverage against aerial threats as forces advance. After years of dismantling mobile air defenses after the Cold War, Germany is rebuilding what was lost, but smarter this time. The Sky Ranger can integrate cannons, short-range missiles, and even laser systems. That's right, high-energy lasers that can shoot down drones silently and with no ammo cost at all. The hybrid version, known as Sky Ranger 30 HEL, pairs traditional firepower with directed energy, creating a flexible weapon platform that can adapt to any threat on the fly. The introduction of laser tech into systems like Sky Ranger is more than just a flashy upgrade. It represents a massive shift in how future wars will be fought. Think about it. A laser beam has no recoil, no reload time, and travels at the speed of light. There's no arc, no wind adjustment, just instant pinpoint precision. And while it's still in the developmental phase, Rheinmetall, the company behind all these systems, has already proven it works in controlled settings. But lasers aren't even the most impressive part of this evolution. That title still belongs to the concept behind all of it. A layered, automated, smart defense network that communicates in real time. No more isolated silos of defense units. Skynex, Sky Ranger, and Sky Shield, the stationary-based defense system, are all built to link together, combining radar data, fire control systems, and sensor fusion into a single operational picture. Sky Shield, for example, is designed for permanent installations like military bases or critical infrastructure. Traditional cannon fire isn't accurate enough, fast enough, or reliable enough for modern aerial warfare. That's why A-head ammunition is the real star of the show. Each shell is programmed in the barrel, in real time, before it even leaves the gun. The system calculates exactly how far the shell will travel, where the target will be, and when to detonate the payload. When it reaches the programmed point, it bursts open and releases over 150 small tungsten fragments in a precise cone-shaped pattern. That one shell becomes a shotgun in the sky. The fragments don't just scatter, they're designed to maximize hit probability. They spread in a shape that matches the likely trajectory of the incoming threat, whether it's a tiny drone or a maneuvering missile. And all of this happens in milliseconds. It's hard to overstate how effective this is. With A-head ammunition, you don't have to hit a target in the conventional sense. You just need to get close. The burst takes care of the rest. This turns what would normally be near impossible shots into high probability hits, even against targets moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Now consider the economics of it all. A single A-head shell costs a few $100s. Compare that to a missile costing hundreds of thousands. If your enemy sends 50 drones and you have to launch 50 interceptors, that's a catastrophic financial exchange, even if you shoot them all down. But with Skynex and A-head rounds, you can take out a swarm for the cost of a single rocket. That's not just tactical superiority, that's sustainability. The results speak for themselves. In Ukraine, the Skynex system reportedly shot down waves of Russian drones and missiles that slipped past traditional air defenses. Units were able to cover gaps left by missile batteries. Skynex wasn't designed to replace those systems. It was designed to protect them, and in doing so, it has become an essential part of Ukraine's layered defense strategy. And now, Germany is going a step further. The broader plan is called the European Sky Shield Initiative. It's an alliance of NATO and EU countries coordinated to create a continent-wide integrated air defense network. Germany is leading the charge, and Skynex is one of the cornerstone technologies being proposed. Why? Because it's modular, scalable, and ready now. Countries don't need years of development. They can plug into the Skynex ecosystem with existing infrastructure. They can add new radars, weapons, or interceptors as the situation evolves, they can build real resilience against the next generation of air threats without bankrupting their defense budgets. This is the future of modern defense, not relying on one expensive system to do everything, but combining many smart systems that each do one thing extremely well and do it automatically. The lesson from the war in Ukraine and from the global rise in drone warfare is simple. The skies are no longer empty. They're crowded, fast-moving, and dangerous. The age of slow-reacting, high-cost missile-only defense is ending, and in its place, Germany has built a system of guns, AI, and precision that might just redefine the next century of air defense.